Okay, welcome back to today's vlog. Close. We've got a good one today. We're changing the head unit and doing a few things. Little bag of treats here, and I've got the Joying head unit that's come from somewhere in EU, and got a few things like this. So this is basically an extension, so it looks a bit OEM. I'm going to put on the front that connects to the back of the head units. I've got a few other things here, like this, which is for the front dash cam to hardwire it in, but I won't do that today. I'll leave it for another day. I've got this for the engine bay, this for the sound in the back. So basically all that rattling, I'm going to put a bit of this to hopefully stop the sound, the rattling, sorry, from the glass. And this, which is indicators, side indicators, that's a bit of a special one, so we'll leave that for a bit. Today we're going to focus on the head unit. Let me show you the current head unit, and then we'll show you how it is once we're installing everything. So we are in Mean Mod's headquarters again with Samir. Obviously he's the one that knows how to do everything basically. I'm just a little assistant, if that. But just waiting for him to open the garage. So basically that's what we have at the moment. This thing over here does okay. There's a USB in there, and basically I want to put the two USBs in here. The thing is, the screen is quite big, so we do have to put this, relocate these ones down here. So I'll probably put that one in the middle, this one here, and this one maybe here, God knows. But yeah, all of this is going to be coming off, and yeah, we're going to be changing it. So hopefully it should be a good one. Alright. I also got to mention we're putting an amp and a sub in here, so it's gonna sound quite decent. Got that. We're gonna be wiring everything up. When I say we, I mean he, because he just I'm learning, trying to learn, know a few basics. I don't really, but hey, I will try and assist as much as I can. I do like working on cars. It's very satisfying. It's nice.
But what I'm thinking is, if we actually the plugs. Yeah, no, we can't. And that's just like the heat and That's just the heated seats, isn't it?
That's the heated seats, but
Yeah.
I needed this down
Yeah.
here.
So I guess, yeah, so why don't you just move this, swap it around, and for the heated seats you can just put your finger in there and just tap it, innit? This is
Yeah.
more important, isn't it?
Yeah, and I don't even use heated seats anyway.
Yeah, just swap it.
But the other problem is I was
what
meant
bit?
to take something up for those,
Something out for what?
for the USB shit, man.
Oh yeah. It only fits one way.
Oh, is it?
Yep. They're all different. They're all different.
So then this one's going to be at the top. Which
I hate that everything's being tapped in, bro. I hate it when I'm not the one that does it. But I'll put it like this, yeah? This is from Japan, bro. That tape
That's
was
nice.
bought in Japan. Alright, cool. Take the head unit out. It doesn't line up with. So what's pushing it up now is these little prongs. These things. But then it's not secure. It's
And it
like,
doesn't look good either. Look at it.
yeah, it's not flush.
Yeah. Fuck it. It's alright. I can.
Is a screen electronically adjustable?
No.
So, no.
It's alright. We'll see how far it comes anyway, and I think it sticks out a little bit anyway.
Alright.
Hopefully.
Alright, so leave this as it is for now, yeah?
Yeah. Just put it back in. Alright,
Rip all that out, man.
What do you mean rip it all out? Look at that.
What are you waiting for?
You! Taking it all apart.
You haven't taken it all apart.
I've taken all apart, all this. And then we tried to swap over the... But then how are we going to put the USB stuff?
Forget your USB, man.
Seriously?
Put it somewhere else.
Where am I going to put it?
Put it in here.
Shut up.
We can look into this later.
Okay, let's get everything in then.
Because we need to...
But another way we have to put the USB around. So Jeep have decided to make everything very difficult. And at the back of it, back of those buttons, is just basically blocked off, and
We can't do what you originally wanted to do.
basically.
Well, we don't know that yet, but it's
Well,
not
it
going to be
can't
as easy.
still, but...
Huh?
Yeah, it won't be as easy, but
It's
I'm
not
sure
easy.
find a way. But let's take out the new head unit and see what it looks like. You know, I haven't actually opened it.
You haven't?
Nah.
Are you going to do a whole unboxing video?
Been waiting for you, innit? Okay. Okay. So that we won't need at the moment. That we won't need at the moment. This I may will need.
You're funny. You better help me with this.
This I'm guessing is for the GPS.
Yeah.
But then it's got one already, so shall we just keep the same one?
Where is it?
It's here.
Yeah, if you want.
Why not, right? It's already installed.
No, I'm taking all this out.
Oh, is there two GPS? I don't know. We've got a microphone, which I won't need. Wiring looms,
Oh, wow.
which I don't know. This thing. Oh, that's the main. A USB thing. Oh, is this another antenna? What? I don't get it. How many does it need? Another thing. Does it have a sub already? Why is there so many? Oh wow, there is so many connections.
It's the USB one.
That's the one in the glove box. Okay. So this here.
So what, we dashing this in the bin?
No, 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 no.
What? Just dash it, man.
Don't dash it, blood.
I want to dash it like on Pimp My Ride. You know how they dash it?
Now, let me just put you down. No, I've got my USB in there as well.
What's all this?
God knows. It's probably the canvas stuff for the steering wheel.
Oh. Oh my god. Can you do it?
A bit crazy still, innit? Yeah, leave it. I might give it to my dad. If I'm feeling kind. Oh wow. That is a lot of stuff, mate.
Like, all of this wasn't even connected, and what is all this? Oh my god.
What's that?
I don't know. Just want to see what that is. Ahmed,
Hello, buddy.
I'm sorry to say that this ain't really gonna work. Because where's the main harness?
Mm-hmm.
There should be two ISO blocks for the power and for the speakers.
Mate, how did they do it?
Okay, this is for the rear screen.
The rear screen?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. This, I don't know what this is. Might have to YouTube some stuff, mate.
Okay, give it back.
Huh?
So there's quite a lot of problems that we've encountered. Mainly because the main wiring harness has been cut into so many times. It just looks so whack. I guess when they did it in Japan, they just did it anyway. Anyway, this is the screen. It's pretty massive, pretty huge. And that's the main unit. So he's found the main wiring loom and he's plugged it in, so we're hoping that that should be okay. I'm gonna try and test it out and see what happens. But yeah, don't know what happens. Let's see. This goes one way, innit? No, it's the other way. It is this way.
Bring it closer. Hold it, yeah?
Hmm?
Cool. Put the key in.
I need to put under the thing.
What? Yeah. This is a banging screen, man.
Huh?
It's a banging screen. How is it so cold and windy, bro?
Didn't work? No.
Nah.
Nope. Alright, first test. There's a file. Oh no.
Hello, hi there. I'm looking for an ISO block adapter for my car. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Would you have that?
Is it an amplified system?
Say that again, sorry?
Is it an amplified system?
No, it's not.
Are you sure? Because majority of Jeeps are.
I don't think it is.
Do you have the stereo out?
Yeah, I've got the stereo out, yeah.
If you bring it in, I need to look at the connections.
One eternity later.